Hello and welcome back. Look at this colorful bracelet. Let's make it. We are going to cut a circle and make lines, cut more lines and make a center hole in it. After that, we are going to weave different colorful yarn on it, and then we are going to make a pattern like this. Look how easy it is. You can make a long colorful pattern and then remove it, tie a knot at the end, and look, your beautiful bracelet is ready. Look at this beautiful bracelet. Let's make it. And Friendship Day is coming soon. So on this Friendship Day, gift these handmade bracelets to your friends. Also share this video with your friends. And look what we are doing here. We are tying knots using nylon threads. You can get these threads easily on market. We are using two colored thread here, blue and white, and we are tying knot like this. After that, we are going to tie a final knot, and look, you will get a pattern like this. You can make more such friendship bands. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share.